Okay, we've got Karen and Darren's Audi TT RS completed. This has been a new car protection detail. It's had 2 stages of machine polishing. Remove some light wash marring, usual sort of stuff you get from the dealerships when you buy your car brand new. Subsequently been ceramic coated. This one's had Siramik APT. So it's 2 coats, one of HR, one of Ultima. Both obviously only available to accredited ceramic detailers. It's had the wheels removed. See, wheels have then been ceramic coated inside and out. Brake calipers also coated at the same time. Trim pieces coated. It's had a subsequent ceramic refugio wipe down. Nice number plate. It's had a full interior detail as well. All leather's been coated. Every single piece of trim's been coated, so all the little plastic pieces, diffuser, number plates, badges, etc, etc, have all been done. Beautiful colour. This is turbo blue. It's quite a new colour for Audi, and certainly the first one I've done. Always best to employ a professional to detail your car when it's new, if you possibly can. Give it its best start in life. Get a good quality ceramic coating, a diamond based coating applied to it. Make subsequent maintenance a lot easier. Resistance to wash marring, etc, etc, really. You'll make it an absolute breeze to look after. Stunning one, this one. If you think I can be of any help to look after your vehicle, detail your vehicle, correct your vehicle, coat your vehicle, anything at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch.